think the favorite memories over the years are just the friendships that I've made, the people that have come through here, very nice people, and it's just the friendships that are lasting.
I think the best memory that comes to play is I had a customer and they were using our product and it wasn't faring well, and I couldn't understand why. And between the two of us, it was based on the installation, not the product itself. So we were able to solve that mystery, and we actually wrote a handbook on how to install the cable for the material handling lifts. And they still use that handbook today. So that was a mission accomplished.
Well, because I like what I'm doing, and you make a difference. And the thing is, it's nice when you can make a difference for a customer, not just try to sell them something, but when the customers see the value, and price is just secondary, to the whole value package, and that's what makes our process unique.
Look at the track record. There's a lot of people here that have been here for many years, me included. So I don't think a company would be able to hold some employees that long if they weren't satisfied. So yes, absolutely a good journey and a continued good journey.
I think this is a great company. When you get into a position, I think you have a lot of latitude, as you start to develop experience with the company. And, we're small enough that you can take on just about as much responsibility as you're willing to. And so you have a chance as a new person coming on to really have an impact in the organization. And I think the more interested you are in doing a good job and learning about the business and getting involved in the sales organization, the operational side of the business, I think you have a chance to really blossom and let your talents be seen by the rest of the organization.